Hello, this is Audrey from Knoema. In this video, I'll show you how to create, customize, and save charts using Knoema. To create a chart, just open any dataset, select Necessary Data, and the system will automatically choose a visualization that best fits your selection. However, you are not obligated to rely on the system's choice and can change the visualization type using the panel on the right. Done. The chart is created. But what if you want to change colors, apply a calculation, or make some other adjustments? To do that, click the Open a New Dashboard link in the Tools tab on the right. Now, you can save this chart as is or edit it. Here, you can also change the selection and chart type. If you want to make other changes, click the gear icon, which will get you to the advanced editing mode. Here, you can rename elements, reorder them, add calculations, and change the layout of a chart by setting series, points, and filters. You can turn on Preview to see the result of your changes on the fly. Now, years are series, meaning that they are elements of the legend, and countries are points, meaning that their names are labels of the axis. You can swap the layout by making countries elements of the legend and years axis labels. Next, let's see how to further adjust the appearance of the chart. All appearance settings are divided into 4 categories: General, Plot Area, Series, and Axis. In the General section, you can change the color scheme, chart type, turn on labels and set their precision, and change tooltip type. Shared tooltip means that information on all series will be shown in one box. Here, you can also highlight some time periods. Let's select a wider time frame to show how it works. For example, you can highlight U.S. recession periods or forecasted data, or your own period. In the Plot Area section, you can change the background color, position of the legend, turn off grid lines, and add text notes. In the Series section, you can change the appearance of each series. For line charts, you can also set ranges, meaning that the area between the 2 lines will be shaded. In the Axis section, you can change axis name, hide axis completely, hide axis name, swap axis, which is the equivalent to setting series and points as discussed previously, and set axis limits. Finally, change the title and subtitle of the chart and save it. You can add another chart to this page. After you save the page, it will always be available to you in your resources. You can share it with anyone or export it to one of the formats. Now you know how to create and save charts at Knoema. Thank you for watching.